Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Revl Heights in Houston, Texas. And I'm now about to check out the bedroom and the bathroom in this one bedroom. So, wow, okay, this is the bedroom. That's a king bed. That is easily fitting in this room. I love all the space that's in here and the white walls. I love the windows that are here. That's super pretty. So it's got space for that dresser. So that's a nice bedroom. I love the size. Also love the bathroom here. The bathroom is great. It's a dual sink. So love the dual sink that's here with all the that huge mirror. I love it that it also has a separated shower with this tub. So it's a separated shower, and then you walk in and you've got this great closet here. The closet space is great. There's a lot of storage in here. Hey, this is a very nice floor plan. It would work really well. I think it's I call it just an A floor plan. It's a great fits everything, has everything. I think you would love it. Hey, if you have any questions about it, or if you want to take a virtual tour anytime or a live tour, send a text. I'll set that up for free, and it can be even as early as today in the next couple of hours.